Well, hello, 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 my crafty friends. I'm back at the scene of the crime. I have been hearing buzz that Tuesday morning might be back with crafty supplies. So I have come back. Literally, I drove way out of my way to the Tuesday morning I've always gone to by where I used to live. But I wanted to check out and see if it was true. So let's find out. Okay, I'm back now. I'm turning it sideways so that way we can get a better view. So there is stuff here, and there's kind of decent stuff here. So I'm seeing dies, and that's an interesting stamp. I mean, not for me, but I mean, we've got some paper packs here. I'm already seeing, the Beautiful collection, but it's an embossing folder, and good Lord, I already have enough of those. But I'm seeing some dies here, so I mean, we need to take a look and see. Oh my goodness, there's a Santa Claus. So isn't he cute? I'm just gonna go through these like really quickly, guys, and then I'm not gonna really paw through stuff. Oh look, we've got some spellbinders. That's like an envelope thing. So I'm like, wow, they might be. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to get that. I have been eyeballing that for quite a while, so I should grab it now, huh? Because what if somebody else wants it too, and they take it in that time? So let's grab that. But I'm gonna take you guys on a quick tour. But I can't believe it. It's back. I had heard. I've seen a couple of videos where people are saying they're there. I'm like, oh, but I want that. That is so, so pretty. It's on the pricey side, so we'll see. But I just can't believe it. There's all kinds of stuff here. So quite a bit of dies. These are dies too, right? Yeah, so cutting these little butterfly ones. So I really should look also, and thank gosh that I have Evernote on my phone so I can double check stuff. So this is more stuff that I've seen them have, gosh, in a year. I'd given up coming to Tuesday morning because I've been just so disappointed. So yes, I'm very happy. So you can see lots and lots of stuff still to go through. So I'm gonna pan for any of the crafters that also do quilting. They're your little fat quarters. Lots of paper storage down there. I'm like, wow, woohoo. And look at these little butterflies. Look how cute they are. These are recollections. God, even Michael's is sending it over. I may have to take those. So we're just gonna go, whoop. Oh, look, they fell into my cart. And look at these. These are, this is from that Beautiful collection. The stamps for $2.99. We'll see. Well, but it's gonna fall in my cart meanwhile. So oh my gosh, and the gem craft. So anybody that does anybody do diamond dots? I do diamond dots to save my sanity. But these are little big ones. They're not like the ones I like to do. So I'm working on a Santa Claus, and then I have, I showed you in the tour, my irises, and then I have, give me a second, it'll come to me. I have Starry Night waiting in the wings. So yeah, look, we've got a cart, like a craft cart down there. I don't need another craft cart. But we've got a couple of big shots here. And the Big Shot Express, guys. So the one with the motor for $150, that's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. And they've always had all kinds of stuff from We Are Memories Keepers. So look, this is the precision press. I've seen it a lot on, you give me a second, it'll come to me on HSN. So here it is for $40. And then a glass mat. I love my glass mat. But now I have a glass table, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my glass mat. But we have a light. And then of course they've always had fine art, quote unquote, fine art supplies. So you got all kinds of acrylic paints. And then down here, more acrylics and brushes. I mean, and just, over here, so ink. So we got a bunch of Jane Davenport ink up there, and then look, Letterette pens, and always the Crafter's Companion, the new Spectrum Noirs. There we go. It's like, my gosh, brain fart. But ooh, that's a cool. I love fat pens, so we may have to really examine. But it's lavender. It's not my color, but I like fat pens. And more fine art stuff, and then it gets toysy over there. But let's turn around because I've had my back to stuff too. So here is the craft clearance section. So we've got some vinyl there, some more, I guess paintbrush sets and whatnot on clearance. I'm like, wow, there's all these little decorator boxes. that everybody finds so cool. Bags. Anybody need bags? I got them here. Vinyl. So we've got vinyl. And look at the toolkit. The weeding toolkits from Sizzix. And look, one in teal. And a pokey tool and a brushy tool. And not at a bad price, but whoa, whoa, whoa. A crocodile. All right, that's mine. They no longer have a crocodile because now I have it. And it's teal. Yes, it is now mine. So that fell in the cart too. Sorry. Yeah, that's why I can't come here. So I'm really, really pleasantly surprised. And look, and then we have a little bit of some stationery stuff. So I'm like, wow. So I may have to. The problem is now I'm close to no Tuesday mornings. I have to go out of my way. So whether it's here or the one in Orange, it's about 10 miles from me. I used to be in the trifecta of all kinds of crafting things. So I'm going to leave here now so that I can really paw through stuff, and then you'll see later what I got in my haul. So I'll be right back. Well, hello, hello, hello. I am back from my excursion in Tuesday morning. So I thought I would show you my little haul. Not a lot of stuff there. For what it's worth, I talked to the clerk when I was checking out, and she was telling me that yes, they're getting quite a bit more crafting, and it's apparently the bulk of what they're getting into Tuesday morning. So you just got to be there on shipment day. And my Tuesday morning, I think shipment day is like Wednesday. So I think all the crafters in the area know, because it looked kind of picked over. But I mean, but there still was some good stuff there. Not all the great deals. And that is something I have noticed. The deals aren't as good as they used to be. I mean, there's some cute things there. Some like, yeah, I mean, like one of the dies, the cross die, I put it back. Because for the price, I thought, you know what, I can just watch for a good sale on Spellbinder's website and probably pick it up. So we're going to see. We're going to check that out. For one, I'm going to make sure it's available. And then, who knows, I may be going back for it. I don't know. It's one of the things like, but I did pick up a few things. So let's talk about what I picked up. So one of the things I did pick up that I told you I was going to is I went and picked up this toolkit. Because it was teal, flat out. But I realized what this was. So let me now... I can open it up, and it's one of those things that's, oh my gosh, it's sealed, so that I don't know if you can. Let's see. Let me see if I can. Oh gosh, never mind. See, I'm sitting here going, rah, 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 rah. But this is a pokey tool. It's not like I need another pokey tool. I mean, I have plenty of pokey tools, but I can add this to like the traveling one because, of course, I have the beautiful, gorgeous Uber pokey tool here that Lucy made me. I love this thing. But, you know, a pokey tool is a pokey tool. You can always use another pokey tool. I have like 3 now. And my little, and my crap, my little cup here, right? This is the stuff that I usually want to keep handy on my desk. And this is always very, very handy because it comes with the little foam mat. So when you need to get stuff out of a really intricate die, I thought, yes, for the price for $7.99, I'm like, yeah, I bite. I'm getting it. This was awesome. Because this goes, apparently, does it stick here? That's what I thought it did. Doesn't it? Let's see, maybe I have to push it in. I don't know. My understanding was it got, let's see, let's look at the little attachment, but that's what. Snap aligner. So this needs to be snapped in. Where? Mine doesn't snap. Or do I have to really be, I'm being pretty damn forceful in putting this in. I mean, hello, what do I have to do? Break through the desk? Let's try. I can't get it in there. But it's a magnet. What I liked about this, so I may have to take this back and grab one that does snap. And there was one left. Because look, there we go. It's a magnet so you can pick up your dies. That's what really excited me about this was this little, the doohickey thingy. So, and it doesn't snap in. Huh. We're going to have to, I'm going to find a YouTube video. And we will see. If not, then this might have to go back. I hate to say that. I'd hate to have to make the trip to do that. So we're going to put these 2 pieces back. So anyway, that is that. Go figure. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, let's do it this way. And let's spend 3 hours on camera trying to put this back together. Okay, so we're going to set this aside over here. What is next? Okay. my crocodile. I have a pink, one of the original, the pink crocodile that I have had forever and a day. It's missing parts. It's worse for the wear. I was due for a new crocodile. So that's it. I now have a brand new teal crocodile. So, I mean, for 20 bucks, hello. I was good with that. So this one, I'll just go ahead now. And we're just going to grab my handy dandy killer. Wow. Okay, there we go. Tim Holtz scissors. I love these scissors. I love the fact that Peanut Gallery has a thing for scissors and then changes his mind on them, because I'm the benefactress of. That's why I have this guy, and I have not one but two, because I bought one and then he decided he didn't want one, so now I have one. Oh, look, and one's like, no, they're both Tim Holtz. Okay, so I have not one. I don't have a pair. I have a pair and a spare. So. But we'll put this away. But now, yes, I have my teal crocodile. So now I'm going to have to find a place to put it away. This is going straight to the trash. I'm breaking this out already. Let's see what else that we get. So then the rest was just some dies. I did pick up some stamps and some dies. So let's set Mr. Crocodile aside. One of the ones I did pick up was Beautiful, the Beautiful collection. And it was one of those that I hemmed and hawed about getting. And then I was just, is that, you know, and there you go. I never did get it, but this stamp was too cute, and it was only $2.99. So let's open it up so that we can see the stamps themselves. So we're just going to go the easy way and cheat and unstick it so that way I can maintain this pocket. So, all right, there we go. Come on, my pretty. Let's go. Okay, now that I've flooded my table with this stuff, I should be able to, with what's left in here, be able to get this open, right? There we go. It just takes a little bit of doing. And I only go to this just because I don't want to tear the packaging, because I'm a nut job. There we go. Okay, so I didn't tear the packaging. Look how proud I am. I'll take just peel the adhesive off. I'm going to cut this flap off anyway and just use it as is, as its own little envelope. But there we have our little bee. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's got some pretty serious detail. Let me see. Oh, here, I'll grab the shim so that we can put, there we go. Now you can see him better. He's really, really, really cute. So I'm really good. I like that. Be nice, be happy, always be yourself. This one, I really, really like that. I have I have that other collection from the few pieces from Colorado Craft. That's what made me think about this. I'm like, oh, I can combine this with my Colorado Craft bee. So I bought that for $2.99. Definitely a deal. So apparently there are still deals to be had. I shouldn't talk smack. I don't know why I just put that away. I now have to whip it out again because I bought this. God help me if I already have it. And I would not be surprised. Oh my Lord. But isn't it really cool? The Easy Swing arm, because I haven't inventoried my Valentine's, and I don't even know where the little bin with the few Valentine's things that I have. So I'm not going to bust this out because I don't know. I may actually have it, and then I'll be returning it. Or, I mean, for the price for $5.99, maybe it'll just get added, for a giveaway sometime. So, but it's really, really cute, but it does the pivoting heart. So you can tell right here that it does. So it's just this die right here. And it does this. So I'm really excited, and I was willing to pay $5.99 for them. And then I did pick a couple of pieces of ephemera. I picked up the Christmas trees, the Jolie's Boutique, because I'm a sucker for Jolie's Boutique. And this is something that I could quickly put together a Christmas card with that. I had a couple of presents, and it's stinking adorable. And they were, and there's 4 presents. You just can't see them. Here, I'll open one up so you can see. Oh, I didn't know American Crafts owned Jolie's Boutique. Gosh, what planet I've been on. But see, you've got the Christmas tree and 4 presents, and I just really do like Jolie's Boutique. I just don't buy a lot of stickers anymore because I just sit there and then I hoard them. I sit there and I pet them and say, oh, look how pretty. And then I put them back because then I don't want to use them. So, I mean, there you go. So I have 2 of those because for $2.99 they were worth it. And then the last thing I bought, and this was a little bit pricier, and I had to have it anyway because I loved it, because you guys know I have amongst the multiple things I have a thing for butterflies. So here is my butterfly, this butterfly creator card. It was just really, really pretty. And I really liked how that happy birthday, I know it just really, and then the butterfly and, you know, what can I say? I could go on forever and, you know, in my mind, justify it, because give me enough time, I can justify anything. So let me just get some undo under this all the way across. That's what I needed to do to start with, so that it soaks in there for a minute, and then I can peel it all up. Okay, so let's put the lid back on. And now, let's see. There we go. I'm finally figuring out how to make this work. Because it's rocket science, right? It's like, oh my gosh, I'm so hopeless. Or hapless, or all of the above. There we go. So yeah, all I have to do now, I can just peel this off, right? Okay, you're not here to watch me peel this off right now. I will do it later. What you want to see is the die. So this is a big die. So it is a 5x7. But look how pretty that is. I mean, it is a nice size. And then I have 2 sentiments. So best wishes and happy birthday. So yeah, I think I got my money's worth at 10 bucks. This one was, yep, for this size of die, excuse me, with all of these pieces, I am very, very, very pleased. So that's my haul, guys, for Tuesday morning for this time around. Am I going to continue to give it a chance? Yes. Next Friday, we have to go back into my old neighborhood again. So what I'm going to do, when I used to live in Laverne, I had 2 Tuesday mornings. My primary one in Laverne was only 2 minutes away, literally. The other one was about 10, maybe 15 minutes away in Glendora, which is this town. Like there was Laverne, San Dimas, Glendora. So it was really close and it was really good. But Laverne always seemed to have the better crafting stuff. So while their section is not blown up to where it used to be, it did have more stuff, but it did not have a lot of paper. I did notice that. Did you notice that when I did my little shop, I didn't have a lot of card stock. So we will wait and see how this all plays out. But it would appear that Tuesday morning is making a comeback for us crafters. Cross your fingers, okay, guys? Cross your fingers, your toes too, your eyes if you have them. If you're not using them, to do that too. And let's see if Tuesday morning comes, because I miss it. I miss getting, you know, going and seeing what they had there and shopping and getting bargains. Again, there might be so many as there used to be, but we'll see. So anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot, guys, for hanging out with me. Hopefully you enjoyed my little foray into Tuesday morning and the goodies that I got. And if you did, go ahead, drop me a note, give me a like, say hi. And if you want to see more of my continuing madness, whether it's shopping or crafting or whatever, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell. Help a girl out. I'm trying to make it. I would love to see if I can make it to 1,000 viewers by the end of this year, and I'm upwards of 8 and the 880s. I forget. I'll have to count. The next time I do a video, I'll let you guys know what my count is. So help me out. You know, subscribe, and I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. You don't even have to turn the notifications on. Just, you know, feel sorry for this mad scrapper. No. Anyway, that I would really appreciate it. I would really, really love it. Okay. But otherwise, I'm going to let you guys go. Okay. I'm going to go open up another box because that's why I went to Laverne. I had a bunch of packages there. So there's going to be more mail call. All right. So I will see you at the next one. Thanks a lot for hanging out with me. And do not ever forget, we're all a little mad here. So come on. Let's craft the madness together, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!